Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in today's class, lesson number 14, Promising Future. Today we are going to complete all the remaining activities which are left. Okay, and in today's chapter will get over. So let's start the chapter. At first, activity number 3 we are going to discuss. In activity number 3 it is explained here. Now your tutor will read the exercise below and ask you to circle the answer. Okay, so here first one it is given. Chisimba ended up with many clients. This means that, what does it means that ended up with many clients? First option it is given, over time more and more people used his service. More and more people stopped using his service. He worked for one person at a time. So the right answer is, over time more and more people used his service. So first one will be the answer. Okay, so first one you will circle. Okay, this first one you will circle like this. Okay, now the second question it is given here, that Chisimba is breathless when he arrives at the bus stop. This means that, what does it means that Chisimba is breathless? He is out of breath, he is angry, he is hungry. So first answer it will be there, he is out of breath. Okay, he is out of breath. Why? See, whenever we are running, we are going by hurriedly or by walking fastly or running, that time we also become breathless. We breathe very fastly. So that is the meaning of breathless. He is out of breath. So here you will circle the first one. Now the activity number 4 it is given here. Your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. Here 10 words are there. Using 10 words you have to make one sentence from each word. Okay, so first word it is here, convinced. Already I have explained you the meaning of convinced. That, see, in two manner you can be convinced. Either you can convinced or you can make someone convinced. Okay, like for example, you are having any plan in your mind, so you are asking your parents and you have made him convinced to do the same. So that is the meaning of convinced. You will make one sentence from convinced. Okay, you can make sentence, I am convinced to go with my friend, or my friend made me convinced to come with him. Like that you can make sentence. Second one is wait. Everyone is knowing wait. Wait means that waiting for something. I need to wait for the bus. Next one is that imagine. Imagine means to think something in your mind. That you can make sentence, that imagine that if we would be a bird, then what would happen? So like that you can make sentence imagine. Next one is the missed. Okay, I got up late and I missed the school bus. Or you can make sentence that he missed his bus because he woke up late. Passengers. Passengers you are knowing. Okay, so many passengers are sitting in the bus or boarding to the bus. Today many passengers are there in the train. Next one is the experience. Experience sentence you can make here, that my friend is having lots of experience about teaching. Next one is that different. So many things are there different. I have seen that different types of animals in the zoo. Arrange. Something which you are arranging, that is called arrange. In book also, math book also you are knowing that arrange the following numbers in ascending order, or I am going to arrange the chairs for the guest. Board. Board means when we are getting in somewhere. Ram is going to board the bus or the train. Okay, strength. Strength means power. My friend is having lots of physical strength. Like that you can make sentence. Now the activity number 5. What is activity number 5? It is given. Activity number 5, it is given that now complete each of the following sentences using one of the above word. Now 10 words which we have used, using that 10 words only, what we are going to do, we are going to fill in the blanks this here. Okay, so let's read first one. See, it is given, she dashed the bus because she got up late. She missed. So first one answer will be there here. It will come here, missed. Like this, you will write MISSED, missed. Okay, first one will be missed. Second one question is that after 25 years of teaching, he has a lot of dash with children. He has lot of experience with children. So second one will be experience. So answer will be EXPERIENCE. Okay, experience. Next one is that she grew many different kind of flower in her garden. Here it will be different. 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 Okay. Can you dash a time when there will be no fighting in the world? Imagine. Can you imagine? So this word will be imagine. That first one I am clearing. Okay, so now we are at the 4 number. Can you? Here will be imagine. Imagine. Can you imagine? 5 number. We cannot dash the train for another hour. We cannot board. It will be answer board. Board. Okay. And the here 6 number it is given. He liked the book so much that he dashed me to read it. He convinced me to read it. Convinced. 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 Okay. Now I am clearing here. The last 7 number question it is given. It took all their dash to push the broken car to the side of the road. It took all their strength. So it will come strength, STRENGTH, strength. Okay. So in this manner, the next remaining 3 sentences are there. Several dash from the train got off at the wrong stop. Passenger. Here will be passenger. Several passengers. So you will write here passengers. 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 If you dash a few days, the tomato will be ripe. If you wait for a few days, the tomato will be ripe. The 10th one, the teacher asked the children to dash the chair in the circle. Arrange. Okay, like this you can complete the sentence. No problem. Now the activity number 6. What is activity number 6? It is asking to memorize the following quotation. So understand this quotation. It is given, make thou an effort that thou mayest take the place under the sun and receive an abundant share of its dazzling light. It is asking from us that make thou an effort. We have to make effort that thou mayst take the place under this bright sun. This bright sun means God. It is talking about the God. That we have to try our level best. We have to make effort so we can take the place under this bright sun, under the sun, and receive the abundant share. Abundant means sufficient amount of share of its dazzling light. Dazzling means bright light. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to make our wholehearted effort, and so we will also get the place under the sun. Means under the sun means what? The blessings of God we are talking, and abundant share of this dazzling light we will get. So this is the quotation. You will learn this quotation. Now class is going to get over. So home assignment: complete activity 3 and 5 of lesson 14 in your book. Okay, 3 and 5 you will complete in book. Then complete 4 lesson in of lesson 14 in your copy. Means that sentence you have to make. And the last homework is that memorize the quotation of the lesson 14. Just now we have discussed the quotation. That quotation you will learn. So this is all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Thanks students. Bye for today.